Kindergarten, welcome. It is math time, and we are starting a new topic this week. Well, not a new topic, but we're trying it with greater numbers. So, we are going to be talking about composing and decomposing numbers, and we're going to practice kind of review for a couple days, and then we're going to learn a new strategy on how to compose and decompose numbers. This is something some of you may have seen, and it might be something totally new to others, and that's okay. So remember that composing is bringing numbers together, and decomposing is breaking numbers apart. So composing, we bring our numbers together. Like a lot of times we talk about 2 and 3. We compose them, and it makes 5. We talk about numbers like 1 and 2. We compose them, and it makes the number 3. Well, now we're going to go a little bit larger in our numbers. We're going to be talking about numbers up through 10, and, well, maybe just a little bit bigger. So we can get some practice in what numbers come together to make a new number. So we've talked about different ways in which to compose numbers. We have talked about using pictures. So if I have, let me not use my one black marker when I can use different colors. Compose by using pictures, and here is kind of what it would look like. I have some pink flowers, and then let me get some green flowers. Okay, so I have 5 pink flowers and 3 green flowers, and if I ask the question, how many flowers do I have all together, we could compose with 5 and 3. So 5 and 3, 5, let's count on 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know that I can make 5 and 3 make 8. So I could write that on here. 5 and 3 equal 8. I can use my plus sign to show that I am bringing them together or joining them. I could also ask you, what's another way to make 8? Oh, I'm hearing some shout outs. What if I then changed one of my pink flowers to a green flower? Then I have 4 and 4. I didn't change the number of flowers I had, I just changed the color. So I know now that 4 and 4 equal 8. What's another way I could make 8 to compose 8? I think some of you are catching on. What if I changed another one of my pink flowers to a green flower? I still have 8 flowers, but now I have a different amount. Instead of 5 and 3, I now have 3 and 5. And that still equals 8. I know you're thinking, well, Mrs. Reyes, 5 and 3 and 3 and 5 are the same. They're the same numbers, but they're in a different order, showing me that my picture was different. They're showing me that the first time I had 5 pink and 3 green. Now I have 3 pink and 5 green because my numbers are in different positions. I could very easily take away another pink flower and change it to a green flower. And if I change that to another green flower, I now have 2 pink flowers. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green flowers. I still have 8 flowers, just different amounts of the 2 colors. So composing numbers, as a reminder, is when we bring things together. And we can bring it about in different ways to show the number 8 can be made in many, many ways. So we're going to be practicing with composing